Welcome to your new home in the heart of London. Exciting times are ahead, but moving in can be overwhelming. Flat pack furniture, TV mounting, blinds installation, hanging pictures, disassembling furniture, and small moving tasks can turn your dream home into a daunting challenge. That's where we come in. Meet the Italian Tasker, your go-to solution for all your home setup needs. Our skilled team takes the stress out of moving in. We handle everything from assembling your flat pack furniture to securely mounting your TV, installing beautiful blinds, hanging pictures, and even disassembling furniture. With years of experience and a passion for perfection, we ensure your home is ready for you to enjoy in no time. The Italian Tasker made our move so much easier. They were professional, quick, and left everything looking perfect. Ready to make your new house a home? Contact the Italian Tasker today and let us take care of the hard work for you.